Hello everybody, my name is Fran, this is Flora. You've got the clue already? Okay, let's have a look. Let's see what the clue is today. Is it crystal? No. Okay, is it, salt? No. Okay. Think hard. Okay. Is it Himalayan salt? Oh, well done. Thank you. She just said, well done. Okay, so Himalayan salt. But it can't be salt because we've done the sound, haven't we? So is it Himalayan? Yeah. Okay, so the Himalayan. So the sound is yeah? Okay. And so now it's time to see what the sound looks like. The sound is the letter is H. This is a capital H. This is a small h. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed it. We have too, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!